Hello and welcome. Here's just a group of C-grade cows we're feeding. This one has been feeding about a month, but I wish I could have showed you before they started to feed. They weren't fin, but you see the difference is big. You can see a big difference. And yes, we can only gauge with the what we see. We don't have it on paper yet, but as you can see there in the back, you can see her standing up now. There, that one. As you can see, she's still fin. But we did some stuff just to reboot or boost the her stomach again so she can absorb the nutrients and start to feed. You see, this cow has been feeding 2.5 months, and as you can see, next to her is a calf. So this one wasn't just feeding, it was raising a calf. And as you can see, the calf is nice also.